So I'm out here, I just cooked up some breakfast. Got my folding table set up here. Just boiled some water and threw it in this bag. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out of there, but got some hash browns working. This is where I stayed last night. This is probably my favorite place to camp. Usually, I actually drove down here last time I was here 2 years ago, but they got it blocked off for some reason. This is the way. All right, so this is the final product. It's actually not that bad, but picture, so result comparison, a little different. This is like my favorite place to walk around at. I mean, this is just one big playground, and it even has a swimming pool. So I'm out here, I gotta change these tires. The ones on the back are supposed to be on the front. When I got my oil changed in Roswell, apparently, I'm just realizing this now, they also rotated the tires for me, which is, you know, routine. I didn't even think about it, they didn't even mention it, but I specifically bought the ones that are now on the front for the back. They're a more heavy duty truck tire, and than the ones that are currently on the back, because that's where all the weight is on the van. So better change them right now and see how long it takes me. Just look at these sexy ass Rhodian tires. Still got the little tread on it. It feels so nice. I'm out here in the middle of the desert, basically, changing my tires, and I'm really not even sweating. I'm rather cold in the shade, actually. That's the difference between, it's just the difference that like humidity makes. I would be sweating so much back home. It's amazing, actually. When I go to do the other side that's not in the shade, you better believe I'm going to turn this thing around and continue to chill out here and cold. It was freezing last night. It was like 43. Insane. All right, I got one on. One more to go on here, and then the other side. All right. Gently. Gently, Morris Jenkins. Gently. Okay. Note to self, don't try to drive off with the jack still underneath it. Unless you need to. I always forget how to use the safety thing on this jack. So that's why you have two. To jack up the other one and then get it out. So I was smelling gas the other day and I thought the van was just running a little rich, but I got under there and I took a video of what was going on. I was talking to my dad about it. I stuck my finger under there and the fuel pump's got crack in it from this freaking little bolt spacer thing that must have been from the old shocks that we had replaced not that long ago. It was just rattling around in there. So I'm on the way to Napa right now to pick up a new pump and hopefully knock this shit out today. So on the way to Napa to get the fuel pump, I recognized that something felt wrong on how the van was driving, and I might have forgotten to tighten the lug nuts on this last back tire. Yeah, so I lost 4 of them. It's the only one I got left. I got some more at the store. So I got to take care of this before I take care of anything else, before I can go anywhere else. So I'm under the car. We're looking at a fuel pump right here. I got the inline hose ready to come off, untighten, and then I got the other line. It's not ready for my hand twisted out yet, and then I just got to take care of this bolt and another one just like it on the other side. Hopefully I'll be out of here.
One eternity later.
Well, good morning from the Napa parking lot. I actually stayed here last night. Van hasn't moved since I brought it here. Just goes to show you that every 20-minute job is one stripped bolt away from being a complete cluster. The generator died last night too, so the phone is low on battery and my laptop's dead. I have to go somewhere to charge it later. We're about to try to fix this gas line elbow real quick this morning before anybody shows up here. I didn't come out and say that I could stay here, but they said we'll see you in the morning, so. You. This shit's running, and as you can see, there's no leak. Elbow piece on there, and that was all me, baby. you, you
Dumbass piece of fucking
Okay, so if you couldn't tell by some of these videos, I'm really into like movie Easter eggs, and we're gonna turn this part of this episode into an actual Easter egg hunt. So, you guys saw I buried my fuel pump. If you can find it, I'll Venmo you $50. So, to all the people out there in Page looking to make a quick buck, if you go to where I described my first campsite in Page when I stayed there, and walk 15 paces towards where I stayed this past time, and dig 2 feet, I'll Venmo you $15. Alright, good luck.